How to find dynamic disc curved handpiece. A step-by-step guide. 1. Understand the product. A dynamic disc curve handpiece is a specialized dental or veterinary tool used for precise cutting and shaping in procedures, especially equine dentistry. Know your exact requirements: curved versus straight, compatibility with burrs, and RPM range. 2. Search reputable suppliers. Look for well-known suppliers of equine dental instruments online. Websites like M3, Veterinary Dental Company, or Amazon Business may offer such tools. 3. Use specific keywords. In search engines or supplier websites, use precise terms like dynamic disc curve handpiece for equine dentistry or curve handpiece for veterinary use. 4. Check product specifications. Always review details like disc diameter, angulation, torque, and ergonomic design to ensure it meets your clinical needs. 5. Compare prices and reviews. Evaluate pricing across multiple platforms and read customer feedback to assess quality and performance. 6. Verify warranty and support. Ensure the seller provides after-sales service, parts availability, and product warranty. 7. Consult professionals. Ask fellow professionals or join equine dentistry forums to get first-hand recommendations. 8. Buy from certified dealers. Purchasing from certified dealers ensures authenticity, reliability, and safety standards compliance. Finding the right dynamic disc curve handpiece ensures precision, safety, and durability in every procedure.